In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Gemini. Whether you're brand new to this tool or just need a refresher, I'll guide you through everything you need to know to get started. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to begin by heading over to the Google Gemini site. This is where our journey starts. To access Gemini, you need to open up your web browser and type in the address or search for it directly through Google itself. Once you've successfully navigated there, you'll need to sign in using your Google account. If you're not already signed in on your browser, this would be the time to enter your credentials. It's important to use the Google account that you intend to link with Gemini, as this setup helps ensure that your interactions and personalized settings are nicely synced. Now that you're in, let's get started with your first task, starting a new chat. On the main Gemini interface, you should see an option that allows you to begin a chat session. This could be a button labeled as New Chat or something similar. Click on that and you'll be immediately ushered into the chat environment where the magic happens. Once you're in the chat, there are two ways you can interact. You can either type out your messages using your keyboard, which is great for more detailed inputs, or if you prefer the convenience of speaking, you can use your microphone. To activate voice input, look for the microphone icon and click it. This feature can be particularly handy if typing isn't your forte or you're multitasking. If Gemini offers different models, you might see an option to switch between them. These models could offer varying functionalities or specialties. Switching models can be as simple as selecting from a drop-down menu or clicking on a tab. Trying out different models can be useful to see which one aligns best with your needs at any given time. So feel free to experiment as you become more comfortable with the platform. Finally, we arrive at the most exciting part, using Gemini for your tasks. Think about what you want to achieve or the kind of assistance you need. Whether you're looking for information, ideas, assistance with organization, or even some creative help, bring your queries or instructions to Gemini. Type your questions or say them out loud and see how Gemini enhances your productivity or sparks creativity. And there you have it. You're now equipped with the basics to start using Google Gemini effectively. Remember, like any tool, the more you use it, the more proficient you'll become. So give it a try, explore the different features, and integrate it into your daily routines. Thanks for watching, and happy exploring with Google Gemini.